Welcome, in front of me the Motorola One View, and today I'll show you how to access the boot mode. So to get started, let's hold power key and select power off. Now once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume down. Both of those keys at the same time, so let's do that right now. Power key, volume down. And immediately after you should see the boot mode. And in here, using volume keys, you'll navigate through the menu, and anything that you select will be visible right here. So you just have to kind of scroll through it, and you can see you have switch tool mode, start, which just goes back to Android, restart bootloader, which goes back to where we are right now, recovery mode goes to recovery mode, power of the device, powers of the device, factory mode, which will bring you to factory mode, and you also have barcodes and bootloader logs, and we're back to switch tools mode. So whatever you select, you then want to press power key to confirm it. Now, because I want to leave this, I'm just gonna select start, and this will go back to Android. So once you have the item selected, press power key. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.